Communication has a context. Communication happens for a reason. Communication can fail because one or more of the participants overlook the context. To help avoid misunderstanding and therefore communicate more effectively, it is important that the context of the communication is understood by all. Why is the communication happening? It is important that participants are on the same wavelength so that they understand why the communication is occurring. It may be useful to start a large conversation by explaining why it is happening. Knowing why communication is occurring is an important first step. There are, however, problems that affect the context of the communication. The first one is timing. Timing is fundamental to successful communication, as well as considering a suitable time to hold a conversation. You should make sure that there is enough time to cover all that is needed, including time to clarify and negotiate. Talking to an employee about a strategic decision 5 minutes before they have to leave the office for the day, for example, would probably not be as successful as having the same conversation the following morning. Okay, location. It should be fairly obvious that communication is going to be less effective if it is conducted in a noisy, uncomfortable, or busy place. Such places have many distractions and often a lack of privacy. 3. Misconception. The context of communication is also governed by your own feelings about it. As already discussed, we stereotype people and therefore can develop incorrect misconceptions and false assumptions. When communicating, we may assume that the first one is all parties know what we are talking about, and the second, we know the other person's views and opinions of the situation. We should not show any emotion. 3. We are right, they are wrong. There are many other examples of misconception highlighting the importance of careful reflection and clarification in all communication.